Hey squad, welcome to your pre-fight warm-up. Let's get that body warm and that mind right. Let's do this. All right, are we ready to warm it up? Yes. Let's do this. Show me your guard. And we're gonna start with a bob and weave going to your left in 3, 2, 1. Let's go and under. I want those hands up by your face. It is your pre-fight warm-up, right? So let's practice good technique, good form. Back is tall, abs are tight. Just a little half circle to your right and to your left. And the bob and weave, believe it or not, is all about firing up your core. There's a method to the madness in boxing. All right, now get ready. On deck, we have some straight punches in 4, in 3, in 2. Let's go. Straight punches and punch. By the way, I have Meesh and Amanda with me. Woo-hoo. Keep going. Now, target zone for the straight punches, right for the front of the face. Palms are down, elbows are tight. There we go. Now, we're gonna take these to some cross-body punches in 3, 2, 1. Let's go and cross. Now, what I want you to do, it's so important. In boxing, it's all about the rotation. So you wanna lift up your heels for a little bit of power, even though we're just warming it up. Think about, visualize punching through the side of the room, palms down, elbows tight. Beautiful. Give me 4, 3, 2, uppercuts. Let's go. Uppercuts, target zone. Where is it? Underneath the chin, elbows tight to the body. Now, we're not just gonna stay here. We need to spice it up. Let's add the hot sauce. We're gonna pick it up as fast as we can in 3, 2, 1, let's go. This is called a shoe shine. It just means fast uppercuts. Hit it, getting that heart rate up. Can you go a little faster? Can you go a little faster?
Yeah, we can.
Can I go a little faster? I'm not sure. Now you're ready for some squats and some hooks in 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. Squat it, hook it. Sit back in those heels. Elbow, where is it? 90-degree angle, target zone, side of the chin. I like to use the warm-up as almost a little basic session for you to go over the punches. It's the perfect time. So then once you watch the other boxing and kickboxing videos, things start to set in, right? You're a pro. 4 more. Here's 3. Lift up that heel. Last 2. Now we're just gonna turn into some body shots. Let's go. And body. Now, target zone for the body shots, right for the ribs, AKA kidney punch. That's so aggressive. But it's nice. So with this, now we're starting to get that body warm, heart rate's going up. Give me a little power, right? You just don't want to aimlessly throw that punch out there. Put a little purpose and put a little power behind it. There we go. Give me a few more. Now we're gonna take it to some wide bub kicks. So keep your legs wide. In 4, in 3, and 2. Let's go. Pump those arms. Now, a modification, omit the jump and just do, yes, the butt kicks right there, or drive those knees up. Now I want you to pump those arms, nice and strong, back is tall, driving your heels into your glutes. Now let's take this, we're gonna transition to our orthodox stance. You're in southpaw at home, all right? Your right foot's forward, your left foot's back. You're gonna give me a jab and a hook in 3, 2, 1, show me, go. Jab, hook. Doesn't need to be so fast. Target zones, you know them. We've gone over them. Face, side of the chin. Think about it, visualize it. That's what I love about boxing, is that you're always engaging your brain, right? We're working from head to toe, but it's also so important up here. Mind, body connection at its finest. Give me 4. Give me 3. Last 2. You have a cross. Let's go. Rear arm and cross. This is a great power punch. It works a lot of core. You also feel those legs. You want to lift up that heel and reach. Pull your lead shoulder back. There we go. Palm is down, elbows tight. Don't you love this one?
Oh yeah.
It kind of makes you feel like a badass, right? Give me 4, 3. Let's go back to those butt kicks. Let's go and butt. And butts? Yeah, sure. And butts. You know what that means. Kick your butt, literally. All right, we're taking it to our southpaw, to your orthodox. Get ready for that jab and that hook in 3, 2, 1, let's go. And jab, hook. The jab, you wanna think about snapping it out, right? Snap it with some power. Hook, that's a big power punch, lift up those heels. There we go. Keep it up. Give me 4, beautiful, 3. Last 2, get ready for that cross, hit it, power. Lift up that heel. Beautiful, keep that punch right to the face. I always say that because that's what's gonna sculpt those shoulders. Who the hell are you punching down here? It's so rude. Oh my God. Give me a few more, give me 4, 3, 3, 2, butt kicks, let's go. Take it to neutral stance. We're almost at the finish line and you can get into your workout. Bring your feet together. We're gonna finish with an air jump. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Light on those feet. You can just toe tap it. Oh, are you ready? You are so ready. Your body's warm, your mind is right, but you know I can't end it here, so give me some high knees in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Remember, you're still jumping rope. If you have one at home, pick it up. If not, trust me, this works. Give me 10, 9, pick it up. 8, pick it up. 7, pick it up. 6, we're almost there. 5, final 4, final 3, final 2, 1, and done. Now you're nice and warm. Your mind is right to go and tackle your next workout.